Hello! Today we are going to explore the key features of the Reseller panel. I will guide you through the options and configuration features available for our partners. The view of the dashboard is the same as for generic users, but the main idea of the dashboard for resellers is to manage user accounts, adjust the filtering rules, and monitor their activity. The tab Main shows the basic information, such as your billing status and initial guides. The tab User Administration contains all the necessary settings to manage your users. We'll focus on it a bit later and dig into details. Now, I'm going to say a few words about the Categories tab. What is the category? SafeDNS has a huge database of domains that are categorized as entertainment, business sites, adult sites, etc. These categories are used as a template for creating new user accounts under the current Resellers panel. To block a certain or group of categories, simply lock the category, and all known domains under that category will be blocked. Don't forget to save the changes. The same applies to a recently released feature, App Blocker. The new user accounts may have more granular filter setup. Certain applications or services can be blocked without blocking the whole category. To do that, click on the App Blocker, select the service you need to block, tick it on, and save the changes. Later, once users have been created, the category's App Blocker can be changed, and all newly created user accounts will synchronize with the current settings from the category's App Blocker. Now, we are moving to the Allow/Deny lists. Reseller's account allows you to create centrally managed allow and deny lists. These are custom-named lists that can contain around 10,000 domains each. As an example, some of your users are educational institutions like schools. There is a special need to create an allow list and deny list attributed to that group that will protect young people from harmful content, while the other part of your users are business and they need to restrict access to time wasters and online file sharing. In this case, the allow and deny lists for these groups should be different. Moreover, you can edit that named list as a list, add or remove domains without wasting time. One or even all named lists can be applied to the user. Please note that the allow list and deny list are applied globally to all users, while the named lists can be applied to a certain user. Now we are focusing on the User Administration tab. The first part is the User Creation menu. To add a new user, specify the billing plan, subscription type, date end. The customer field and email could be empty. The username is a prefix plus number. Normally, the prefix is a company name. Once a user account is created, it will appear on the list below. If you click on the dashboard link on the user, you will be redirected to the user dashboard and can view or change the settings of their account. The next section allows Manage Administrators of the Reseller's account. You can add additional user accounts that can modify the settings in the dashboard. We are now moving to the next tab, Statistics. It allows you to view brief information about user activity and the settings. You can see the IP addresses or DD client setup and the requests count of the user account. The next tab shows useful information, Action Log of the Reseller's Administrators, who and when made a change to the dashboard. Settings tab allows to set information about company or organization and to adjust the dashboard appearance for users. It could be useful when a reseller wants to resell the filtering products under their name. We call that type of subscription white label reseller. White labeling can change logos and the start page to your brand logos and style. It is also possible to use a custom domain to access the filtering dashboard for your end users. And the last tab has options to configure custom block page. It allows you to show specific information on the domains that are blocked. It might be useful for white label subscriptions. Among the standard, personal, and hidden block pages, there is an option of Settings HTML block page. It is a customizable block page with advanced options. If you are familiar with the HTML syntax, you can create any block page you need. The last feature can be configured as aliases. Could be useful in the Active Directory environment or when you need to grant access to any local resources or captive portals. To get more information about setup, please visit our wiki page at docs.safedns.com or use the Help tab on the dashboard. See you. Bye.